The door closed slowly. The sound was very loud. Sarah stood alone in the small kitchen. She held a cold cup of tea. Her husband, John, had left again. No goodbye. No smile. No kind words. Only silence. Her heart felt heavy. She felt very sad. She felt small and invisible. This had become normal. Every day was the same. Sarah had been married to John for 5 years. In the beginning, everything was happy. John would wake up early to see her smile. He would bring small gifts, not expensive, but full of love. They laughed at small jokes. They shared dreams about their future. They wanted a happy home. They wanted children. They wanted love and care. They were best friends first, then husband and wife. But slowly things changed. John became very busy with work. He started coming home late every night. He stopped asking about Sarah's day. He ate quickly and stayed on his phone. Sometimes, he did not even notice Sarah in the room. When she spoke, he replied with one word. When she cried, he did not see her. Sarah felt invisible in her own house. Sarah did not want money. Sarah did not want gifts. Sarah only wanted love, time, and attention. She wanted to feel important again. Every morning, Sarah woke up early. She cleaned the house. She cooked breakfast. She waited for John. Most days, he left without talking to her. He left without even looking at her face. At night, she waited again. She waited for the sound of the door. She waited for a soft voice. She waited for a small smile. But she only got tired eyes and silence. Sarah remembered their wedding day. The way John held her hand. The way he looked at her like she was the only one in the world. Now, he walked in front of her. He ignored her presence. He forgot how to care. Sarah tried many times to talk. John, are you okay? John, did I do something wrong? John, I miss you. But John always said the same thing. I am tired. I am busy. Not now. Sarah felt like she was begging for something very simple. Love. She was not a bad wife. She cooked every day. She cleaned the house. She waited for him. She supported him in every way. She never shouted. She never complained. She never disrespected him. But still she felt unwanted. She felt alone in her marriage. One evening, Sarah decided to do something different. She did not cook. She did not wait. She went outside alone. She walked slowly to a small park near their house. She sat on a bench. She watched people. She saw couples laughing. Families enjoying food together. Children running and playing. Hands held together. Simple happiness everywhere. Her heart felt heavy. She thought, is this my life now? Just waiting for someone who does not see me. She stayed in the park for a long time. The wind was cold. She held her hands together. She watched the sun set. She remembered the love she and John had shared in the past. She felt lonely. She felt small. She wanted to be loved again. She wanted someone to notice her. She wanted to feel important, wanted, and safe. The next morning, Sarah cleaned the house slowly. She did not cook breakfast. She made a small note and left it on the table. It said, "I feel alone. I need love. I need attention. I need you to see me. I am here waiting." John came home that evening. The house was dark and quiet. "Sarah," he called. No answer. He found her note. He read it again and again. His heart felt heavy. He felt fear. Fear of losing Sarah. Fear of losing love. Fear of losing life together. Fear of losing the best thing in his life. The next day, John did not go to work. He stayed home. When Sarah returned in the evening, she was shocked. John was in the kitchen. He was cooking. He looked nervous. He looked afraid. "Sit," he said softly. "We need to talk." Sarah sat quietly. She did not know what to expect. John said, "I didn't know you felt this way. I thought working hard was enough. I thought giving money was love. I was wrong. I forgot that love needs attention. I forgot that love needs time. I forgot about you." Sarah whispered, "I don't need money. I don't need gifts. I need you. I need your time. I need your love." John felt ashamed. "I stopped listening," he said. "I stopped seeing you. I forgot how important you are to me. I forgot your feelings. I forgot our love. I forgot us." Sarah whispered back, "I was still here. Every day. Waiting for you. Loving you. Hoping you would notice me." A long silence followed. Then John slowly held her hand. It felt strange but warm. Something they had not felt for a long time. "I don't want to lose you," he said. "I want to change. I want us to be happy again. I want us to talk again. I want us to laugh again. I want us to love again." The next weeks were not perfect. Sometimes John forgot. Sometimes Sarah cried. Sometimes they argued. But now they tried. They shared feelings. They listened. They walked together in the evening. They held hands. They laughed at small things. They learned again how to be close. They learned again how to love. They shared small gifts, notes, flowers. They watched sunsets together. They went for walks. They cooked together. They remembered each other's favorite foods. They remembered to say, "I love you" every day. They remembered to hug each other. One night, John said something simple but strong. "I forgot love is not big actions. Love is small daily care. Love is asking about you. Love is listening. Love is being present. Love is noticing each other." Sarah smiled for the first time in months. She was still a wanting wife. But now she was not wanting alone. She was wanted too.